On your Citroen C3, this is a 2021 model, it will automatically put the rear wiper on when you go into reverse if your front wipers are working. But let's say now if there was very heavy snow, or if you had a bicycle strapped to the back of your car, then you would want to disable that. You can do that. All we have to do is hit the car icon here, and then we're going to go to vehicle settings, and then we're going to go to parking. And if you have a look, it says here rear wiper in reverse. At the moment it's on, we can turn it to off. If you're curious about it, you can just hit the I here, and it says there, enables automatic activation of the rear wiper in reverse gear if the front wiper is on. So we're just going to go back, and we're going to turn this off. And now every time I go into reverse, it won't automatically put it on. And this will stay with the car now. If we turn it off and back on again, it will still be enabled. Obviously, if you want to put it back on again, you will just go in and turn it on. There we go. Thanks for watching.